Initializing sequence. Fear systems disabled. Launching album protocol. Josh, I have identified potential hostiles nearby. Would you like me to engage?
What did they do?
It appears they dropped a garbage album.
Yes, engage.
Okay, launching op destruction sequence.
Yeah, I got no mercy for the weak, I kill them all, it's R.I.P. to all my enemies. Yeah, they've been dead to me, leveling up, but they turn into casualties. Sharpen my blade if you really wanna act cute. Now you're all mad cause I passed you. Everyone's got opinions, if you're not with the team, I'm like, who asked you? Copy the Moosey and quote on my strategy, but it won't work and I swear so sad to me. This game looks like nothing but tragedies plotting on me, but there's no overlap of me. Yeah, I've been alone, but I might feel stages. Haters get broken, but I can't change it. Don't look at me when your tape ain't playing. It's not my fault you don't fit on the A-list. Young Josh A will body a beat. If I make a move, they copying me. Who knew they bite so obviously? By me, they hate me so ominously. All of my M's independent like Van riders. That's like 10 for the one to the buyer. Could've stopped the LV, but I'm on fire. Yeah, they thought I was done with the rap, but I'm just getting started. They're looking at me, I know they see a target, but I know they'll never get close to my artistry. Guys, be nice, they're trying their hardest. It's so pitiful, seeing the minimal, trying to make single commas invisible. So forgettable, those subliminals sound like that's at the top of the pinnacle. Yeah, I got no mercy for the weak, I kill them all, it's R.I.P. to all my enemies. Yeah, they've been dead to me, leveling up, but they turn into casualties. Sharpen my blade if you really wanna act cute. Now you're all mad cause I passed you. Everyone's got opinions, if you're not with the team, I'm like, who asked you? Copy the Moosey and quote on my strategy, but it won't work and I swear so sad to me. This game looks like nothing but tragedies plotting on me, but there's no overlap of me. Yeah, I've been alone, but I might feel stages. Haters get broken, but I can't change it. Don't look at me when your tape ain't playing. It's not my fault you don't fit on the A-list. They hate to see me winning, but when I drop, I know they listen. Back to back, been on a mission, getting plaques with my precision. They've been praying on my downfall, but promise there's no quitting. I just dropped the tape last week, no time for intermissions. Yeah, bad with the fire, I got them addicted, I dropped, they better OD. Yeah, the day I retire, that's when all the opposition breathe a sigh of relief. Yeah, you sweat over right in the bar, it's sad, I swear I do this in my sleep. Yeah, I spit for the comfort of riches, but none of you know what I did just to eat. Yeah, I got no mercy for the weak, I kill them all, it's R.I.P. to all my enemies. Yeah, they've been dead to me, leveling up, but they turn into casualties. Sharpen my blade if you really wanna act cute. Now you're all mad cause I passed you. Everyone's got opinions, if you're not with the team, I'm like, who asked you?
Reports of walking dead are coming in from around the tri-state area. Stay in your homes and lock your doors. Do not trust anybody.
I'm out for blood. If I die, I'll be a legend. Drop it gold just like a weapon. Leave you dead with no expression like your fan base when it drop. Always capping on your raps. I promise you don't have no ops. This is all I do. This lockdown wasn't nothing. I've been hoarding beats. I swear this all I do. I get it done. Competition boring me cause I've been running laps on everyone. Big rappers corner me, but I'm not doing features for your bums. Straight out this quarantine. Yeah, I'm finally bad. Now watch them run. Yeah, I don't care what you offer me. This all I do. I saw the beats. A new tape was a flop to me. So now your fans all flock to me. This rack ain't like a cookout. And you know I'm glad you brought the beef. You'll never reach my levels. You should know you don't dishonor me. So go to beta while I'm going places. You can load it fading off into irrelevance. I bet it must be so enraging. Gotta face it. Now you're barely making dividends. And your flow sound just like Yoda. You're not making any sense. I got no love for the ones that throwing shots and then they run. Talking cheap behind my back until I threaten to erupt. I got no hesitation. I've been elevated. Everything I do, I'm getting celebrated. You just compensated while I'm compensated. Just had to let you know I'm out for blood. If I die, I'll be a legend. Drop it gold just like a weapon. Leave you dead with no expression like your fan base when it drop. Always capping on your raps. I promise you don't have no ops. This is all I do. This lockdown wasn't nothing. I've been hoarding beats. I swear this all I do. I get it done. Competition boring me cause I've been running laps on everyone. Big rappers corner me, but I'm not doing features for your bums. Straight out this quarantine. Yeah, I'm finally bad. Now watch them run. What a year. Took a break and made $1 million. Now we're here. They wrote me off and now I'm really outperforming all my peers. I don't need touring. Only do it cause I love meeting my fans. I make more on any given month than your label advance. And all the same ones that dissing me couldn't tour during quarantine. Had to get a job and must have hit their ego pretty hard. And they were talking really cute until they sold off all their cars. Saw their latest show on aisle 7.
Oh, by the way, I'll pay with cards.
It'll make your career if I ever mention your name. See you try to be tough online, but in person you never aim. I know I look just like a Sheeran, but if you cross me, then I bang. If you got a problem with me, yeah, keep it coughing with me. I don't need to be popping semis, cause I'm spitting automatic. You wondering how this happened? If I'm a snake, then why you proud of me? If I'm I'm so fake, then why you cashing checks you making off of me, huh? I'm really doing this myself, don't need nobody, don't need helping, buddy. You ain't been through hell and back, it's funny. You ain't dealt with that, you acting up on every track, you lying, you ain't selling that. You pretty good at acting, man, you should get in a war for that. Don't tour for racks, it's not about the money, don't perform for that. I focus on my artistry, unlike the ones I'm soaring past. I'm hoarding bags, if you want a verse, I'm money more for that. I'm scamming trash rappers, man, they might take me to court for that. Yeah, I did this independent, no percentage, I feel like a menace. Labels telling you to dance and reinvent your image. After that it still flops, now you're on the chopping block. It's so funny, watch them changing day to day, they see my album drop. Killing everyone, yeah, you know I'm feeling righteous. I got hella range, yeah, you know my music timeless. I just rule the game, got me feeling like a tyrant. Death sentence if you try to crush me, ride the lightning.